Hello friends and welcome to our December 16th video. Today's first news is from Bollywood. Bollywood actor Saif Ali Khan was attacked with a knife by an unidentified assassinate on the night of January 16, 2025 at his residence in Bandra. The attacker entered the house with the intent to rob, and when Saif Ali Khan stopped him, he sustained a total of 6 injuries to his neck, back, arm and head. Saif was immediately rushed to the Lilavati hospital where he underwent a surgery to remove a piece of the knife lodged near his spine. Currently, his condition is stable and he is under medical supervision. The Mumbai police has initiated an investigation and identified one suspect, while the search for other is ongoing. The police is also investigating whether the attack had any connection with the Saif's domestic staff, as the CCTV footage shown no any external entry before the incident. At the time of the attack, Saif's wife Kareena Kapoor and their children were also present in the house, but they remained unharmed. This incident has raised concern about the safety of the celebrities in the Mumbai, and fans are praising Saif's bravery on social media. Today's second news is from Iran. Iran has announced plan to relocate its capital from Tehran to the southern coastal region of Makran, citing economic and ecological concerns. Tehran faced significant challenges including overpopulation, severe water shortage, pollution, and vulnerability to the earthquake due to its location atop major seismic fault lines. The proposed move to the Makran aims to address these issues by shifting the political and administrative center to a less congested and strategically advanced coastal area near the Gulf of Oman. However, the relocation plan faces substantial challenges, including the estimated cost of 77 to $100 billion, logistical complexity, and the need for significant infrastructure development in the largely undeveloped Makran region. The Iranian government has formed council to assess the feasibility of the move and to develop a sea-based economy in the Makran. Today's third news is from UK and Ukraine. Today, on 16th January 2025, British Prime Minister Keir Starmer and Ukraine's President Zelensky signed a landmark 100 years partnership treaty in the Kyiv, aiming to deepen security ties and strengthen the relationship between the Ukraine and United Kingdom. The key component of the agreements are UK will enhance training for Ukraine soldiers, providing mobile air defense system and supply 150 artillery barrels. The UK commits to 3 billion in annual support to Ukraine, focusing on rebuilding infrastructure and bolstering the economy. A program will partner 100 schools in the UK and Ukraine, fostering cultural exchange and resilience through shared reading experience. This historical agreement underscores the UK's long-term commitment to supporting Ukraine's security in the face of ongoing challenges. Today's fourth news is from share market. The prominent activist short selling firm has announced its closure after 8 years of operations. Founded in 2017 by Nathan Anderson, the firm gained recognition for uncovering financial misconduct in various companies. Notable investigation included allegation against Carl Icahn's funds, Icahn Enterprises for a Ponzi-like structure, and the Adani Group for stock manipulations. Their 2020 report on the Nicole Corp led to federal fraud charges against its founder. The closure has sparked a discussion about the sustainability and ethical implication of short selling practices. Market experts have raised concern over the financial viability and regulatory pressures associated with such aggressive strategies. Despite its controversial methods, Hindenburg's work led to significant regulatory actions, including charges against numerous individuals and companies. The firm's dissolution marks the end of a notable chapter in the financial market oversight. Today's fifth news is from the Delhi airport. Custom officials at Delhi Indira Gandhi International Airport has seized 257 grams of gold concealed inside a screwdriver from a female passenger's luggage. The incident occurs during the night shift on January 14 to 2025. A 20-year-old male passenger from Uttar Pradesh arriving from Jeddah was observed escorting a female passenger in a wheelchair who had traveled from Riyadh. Both were intercepted at the Green Channel exit. Suspicious X-ray images of the woman's baggage led to a detailed examination, revealing a cylindrical gold rupees hidden inside a screwdriver. The seized gold is valued at approximately 18 lakh rupees. This operation highlights the innovation methods smugglers employ and underscores the vigilance of custom officers in preventing such activities. So stay tuned for your daily news updates and thanks for watching.